Yeah? Good. Damn! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Reggie B. So today, I'm on my way to the Arnold Classic. This weekend is a great weekend. This is my second year of being at the Arnold Classic. Last year was great. This year is going to be even better for the fact that I'm a lot more comfortable. I know a lot more people. And not only that, like I said in a lot of my other videos when I've talked about being at the expo, it's always an amazing time to be around those fans. Because those are people that appreciate and push what we are pushing by trying to help and motivate the world. So for those that are not able to make it to the Arnold Classic, hope you enjoyed this video. So you guys ready? Let's get it.
That's what we do, ReggieBFitness in the house. Alright guys, so here's the boy Reggie B. Right now I'm going to try the Ninja Warrior Challenge.
Alright,
my first time doing it, I'm going to see how I'm doing.
Now guys,
let's push yourself to the limit. It's really loud out here. My adrenaline's rushing. So let's get it.
Batman in the house, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, you better live up to the shirt. Are you ready, Batman? Guys, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, man. Oh, nice. I like your kicks, man. The ninja shoes.
Alright guys, that's the ending to this video. Hope you enjoyed. It's a great thing at pushing yourself to the limit at one of these things, because there's so many different activities at each and every booth, and I had to represent. Not only that, it was cool to link up with a lot of guys that I know and I've kept in touch with throughout this entire time I've been in this industry. So for those that are trying to step their game up, never let anybody or anything stop you from reaching your goals or progressing wherever you want to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real for you. Metamorphosis complete.